Hi guys! Hello to everybody. We're going to Panabo to encrypt the bones of my mother because I promised to my mother, Lucia, that I will, before I go back to Riyadh, I will visit her camp and I will transfer her to the very nice cemetery. Kunin namin yung buto, pakuha namin yung buto niya guys. Asikasuhin ko lahat-lahat para matransfer yung mama ko sa maayos at magandang cemetery. Nakawaki yan. Kasi happy yan. Smile lang guys. Very fresh na umaga kasi bagong ligo. Aywa. Hi Mama Lucia. We are here na with Sis April. We're very excited to see you even sa tomb mo na lang. As what I promised, I will go there before I go to Riyadh. Sa mga nagtatanong po pala kung po bakit Bulicate na apelyido ng mama ko, yun po ang apelyido ng second husband niya po. See? Very hard to go there. That's why we have guides. Si Auntie Lu, sister ng husband, second husband ni mama. Thank you Auntie Luz to guide us. That's why we need to transfer talaga kasi masukal talaga papunta doon. Yan po si Auntie Luz, kapatid ng second husband ni mama. Tsaka sa mga nagtatanong po kung paano mag-transfer, especially sa Panabo, andyan po lahat, naka-indicate na po. Tingnan nyo na lang and see my video and read all the details. Ayan po, kompleto na po yan. Habang nagvo-voice over pala ako, maulan dito, kaya pasensya na po kayo sa background. So, we'll go home now guys, and I'm very happy that I paid everything and processed everything. And on Tuesday, naka-schedule na my mom to transfer to other cemetery. At sa mga nagtatanong kung may bayad po yung magkuha ng bones, meron po, hindi po kasali siya sa pagbayad sa pag-transfer doon sa other cemetery.